Minnesota, and right now we are standing on a frozen lake bed about ready to take some motorcycles out for some ice racing.
It's like a cross between flat track and road racing. Slide in the rear a little bit, but you also can use a bunch of front brake. This is like totally different than anything.
Push the bike over further and air on the side of throttle. The driving and the braking screws go one way, and then the ones towards the outside, they get pointed the opposite direction so you get grip in the corners. They put another like tire inside of the tire and then run the screw through the lug into the liner. So they're like super long.
Right now we're doing a poker run. We got the oval for racing, middle oval for more racing, and the road that they're on that goes around the lake is 2.5 miles long.
This is wild! Like, there is traction, but then it's also scary.
It was my first time on the ice, and it was awesome!
What's extra fun about today is this is me and my build train race teammates, which most of us have never even been on a frozen lake bed, so we're trying the sport together.
Freaking awesome, and I thought I was gonna freeze to death, but I didn't, and it's amazing, and everybody should do it.
I'm tired after like 5 laps. Gotta use your whole body.
The feeling that you get from the rear tire when it comes around and you're pushing the bike down underneath you is the exact same feel that you get when you're starting to lose the rear on a road race bike. And you have to learn to trust your tires. And this forces you to trust your tires. So this could definitely be beneficial for road racers.
I don't know, you don't have to overthink it too much. Just enjoy that we can do something in the winter time and not freeze to death. This is the only way to keep sane in Minnesota.
This is certainly a different way to ride a motorcycle, and should you ever be injured on a motorcycle, definitely give Law Tigers a call before your insurance company, as they are America's motorcycle lawyers. My name is Alyssa. I'm gonna go shred some ice. See you in the next one.